What's up guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make a color grading effect in Premiere Pro. First of all, we're gonna open the Premiere Pro. After that, we're gonna import our file, and then we're gonna open a Limited Color. From that, we're gonna use the auto first, and then creative, and try to look. You can just easily look. This is really it. You're already color grading and stuff. You just need to know which color you are going for. From the curves, you can change the depth and highlights from here. After that, you can go to this here. These are some more color grading stuff. See how the small impact is changing everything. So this is really it. If you're looking for a deep into tutorial on color grading, then comment below and I'll make full tutorial. Stay tuned and do subscribe.